Tune until number 1. If this animal doesn't scare you, then probably nothing will. Number 10. The common vampire bat. Common vampire bats can be found in Mexico and in Central and South America. They live in colonies in almost completely dark places such as caves, old wells, hollow trees, and even buildings. Like most other bats, they are nocturnal and they come out of their roosts at night to search for blood. This is their only source of food. They feed on blood from sleeping cows, pigs, horses, and birds, though uncommon vampire bats occasionally will bite humans for blood. But bloodthirsty demons they are not. Although vampire bats are known to feed for 30 minutes on end, they never take enough blood to do harm to their prey. But what makes them so dangerous then? Their bite is not powerful. In fact, their saliva contains enzymes that numb the bite area and another enzyme to keep the blood from clotting, making sure that it feeds continuously. They also are very agile and nimble and so lightweight that their chosen victim doesn't even realize when these lightweight bats land on them. So, the real problem here is the common vampire bats are known carriers of rabies, a lifelong debilitating disease that almost always leads to death. And that's only if it's not treated by getting about 10 shots to the stomach, which, let's be honest here, that just sounds unpleasant. Number 9. The bullet ant. The bullet ant. This thing has appeared on a lot of our lists of the most dangerous animals on the planet, so it's no surprise that he's here now. No dangerous animal list is complete without the mention of any kind of ant, and when it comes to danger, no ant can bring higher levels of it than the bullet ant. Bullet ants can be found all over the Amazon rainforest, so encountering them can be pretty common. But be warned, they aren't called bullet ants for nothing. They're known as the insect with the most painful bite. People have often likened being bitten by one of these creatures to being shot by an actual bullet. They are also called 24-hour ant because the pain that it brings lasts for that long. Despite the excruciating pain that they bring, certain Amazon tribes actively seek them out. They catch the ants and weave them into large mittens made up of woven palm leaves. Adolescent males, eager to prove their manliness, wear the gloves for hours on end, all the while dancing with women, enduring the searing pain the ants give them. When they endure the ritual, the entire tribe will see them as fully grown men and warriors. Number 8. The Amazonian Giant Centipede. The Amazon giant centipede, or Scolopendra giganteum, is among the largest centipedes of the genus Scolopendra, growing up to 12 inches or more. It can be found in various places throughout South America, especially the Amazon and the Caribbean, where it preys on a variety of animals including insects, other sizable amphibians, arthropods, reptiles, and mammals. This centipede is nervous and jumpy. It is carnivorous and very aggressive, feeding on almost everything it comes across. It is capable of overpowering not only insects or other invertebrates, but also vertebrates including frogs, lizards, mice, snakes, birds, and even bats. They have a pretty interesting way to catch bats. They climb cave walls to the ceiling and wait for a passing bat. When the prey is close enough, the centipede lunges out while holding onto the cave wall with its rear legs and grabs the bat. Then they hold and manipulate their prey with just a few legs attached to the ceiling. When attacking its prey on the ground, the centipede will use all of its body to uncoil its prey and will use all of its legs to grasp the body of its victim. On top of that, they have venom that is not only deadly to small animals, but potentially dangerous to humans as well in the right dosage. An attack on a human, normally in self-defense, can cause severe pain, chills, swelling, fever, and fatigue. Number 7. The Brazilian Wandering Spider. Brazilian wandering spiders, also called arm spiders or banana spiders, belong to the genus Phononeutria, which means murderous in Greek. And it's no wonder why. It's one of the most venomous spiders on Earth. Its bite can be deadly to humans, especially children. It's so venomous that even the Guinness Book of World Records recognize it as the world's most venomous spider. Although extremely venomous, they are quite small, only growing to about 2 inches in length. They get their name from the fact that these spiders never build nests, but rather is constantly on the move, at the same time looking for its next victim. They spend most of their day hiding under logs or in crevices and comes out to hunt at night. They eat insects, other spiders, and sometimes small amphibians, reptiles, and mice. Number 6. Pit vipers. If you think that the anaconda is the only dangerous snake in the Amazon, you better think again. The Amazon rainforest is a vast and diverse ecosystem, a perfect home for snakes of various kinds. Unfortunately for you and me, most of the snakes living here are pit vipers. Pit vipers get their name from the 2 heat-sensitive organs, or pits, located in between each eye and nostril. The snake uses these organs to detect the body heat of their warm-blooded prey, hence they are expert night hunters. There are many kinds of pit vipers in the Amazon, each one of them packing enough venom to kill a fully grown man. But the ones that you really had to keep an eye out for are the South American rattlesnakes, the very colorful eyelash vipers, so called because they have scales above their eyes that look like eyelashes. We also have the fer de lance, whose unpredictable tender makes it responsible for the most snake bites in the Amazon, and the bushmaster, which holds the title of the longest viper in the world. There's just a lot of snakes in general. Number 5. The bull shark. There are currently 480 known shark species worldwide, but only 3 of them are known to attack humans. Unfortunately for people swimming in the Amazon River, one of these confirmed man-eaters is perfectly